Once upon a time, there was a jungle. In the jungle, there lived 3 parrots. The first one was named Petrie. He was cunning and very energetic. The second one was named Woody. He was lazy but very intelligent. The third one was named Tweety. He is the comedian of the group and he isn't very bright. In the jungle, there also lurked a very hungry jaguar. This jaguar was mean and very dangerous, and he was always trying to eat one of the parrots. One day, Tweety was sitting in a tree when suddenly a jaguar snuck up behind him and tried to eat him. The jaguar's tail got stuck on a tree branch and missed him. "Ha ha," said Tweety. "I'll get one of you someday," screamed the jaguar. Then that willful jaguar tried again, but this time he tried to get Woody. Woody was in the tallest tree in the jungle, so he thought he was safe. The jaguar started to climb up that very tall tree, very slowly and extremely quiet. "I will get one of you someday," whispered the jaguar. When he reached the branch that Woody was on, the branch broke. Woody flew away as the jaguar was falling. The jaguar said, "I'll get one of you someday." Once again, that stubborn jaguar had to try again. This time he went for Petrie, but what he didn't know was that Petrie set a trap. Petrie was on a tree that fell over, and half the tree was hanging over the cliff. As the jaguar was walking over to Petrie, he said to himself, "Finally, I will get one of you." Just as he stepped on the tree, Petrie flew off, and the weight of the jaguar made the tree fall off the cliff. Well, and as for the jaguar, well, let's just say they don't have to worry about that jaguar trying to eat them again.